In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Lovable Ai. We'll walk through where to find your code, what to expect if you're on the free plan, and how upgrading unlocks editing so you can make changes right inside the browser. Start on the Lovable Home dashboard. From there, open all projects to see everything you've created or have access to. This view helps you quickly spot the app you want to work on. Select your project to open its workspace. Inside the project, you'll see several tabs. Head to the Code tab to open the code editor. When the editor loads, notice that it may open in a read-only state. That's expected if you're on the free plan. You can browse files, open folders, and preview code, but direct edits are disabled until you upgrade. This is a helpful way to explore structure without changing anything by accident, but to actually modify code, you'll need a paid plan. To do that, look to the top right and click Upgrade. This takes you to the billing and plans page for your project. Here, you can compare what's included in each option and decide which level fits your work. Click on Pro to review the entry-level paid features that enable in-editor editing for individual or small team needs. Then click on Business to see the added capabilities geared toward growing teams and more advanced workflows. Finally, click on Enterprise to view options designed for larger organizations that may require enhanced controls and support. Clicking through each one is a quick way to understand the differences before you proceed. Once you've reviewed the plans and you're ready to continue working, click Go back to return to your project space. Head back to the Code tab if needed. With the upgrade in place, the editor is now ready for changes. Open the file you want to modify and make your edit. You can place your cursor where you need it, type your changes, and adjust any relevant sections in the same view you used to explore earlier. If you're moving between files, the file tree keeps everything easy to navigate so you can switch context without losing your place. That's the full flow. Start from the dashboard, open your project, go to the Code tab, confirm whether you're in read only, use Upgrade to explore plan options, go back to your project, and then make your edit directly in the editor. Follow these steps anytime you need to update code in Lovable, and you'll be set to make clean, confident changes right from your browser.